One of the problems with the indoor cameras is mounting solutions, right? There are 2 screw holes. They're not really convenient to use, especially if you're going an out of the way location. So what we did was we got these little slide in slot shelf things. It comes with adhesive, right? And it's paint safe adhesive, but who knows what that actually means. And it's designed to fit perfectly in there, all right? Now this isn't maybe the most ideal location for a camera. Maybe it's perfect for you. Maybe you want to put a camera up in the top right corner, you know? Do you want to put screw holes up there or just a little bit of adhesive? So having something like this mounted in a location, easy access, especially if you're doing a wireless camera, right? You can just pop it out, change the battery, and away you go. Highly recommend these mounting options.